In this video, I'm gonna show you how to type in 5 column in a Microsoft Word document. So guys, once you open your new document, so almost you will see this 1 column. This setting is default. So 1 column is default. You want to increase number of column like 3, 4 or 5. So very simple method. Just guys, you have to click on this layout tab, and here in page setup you will see the option for column. Click this drop down and more columns, and here you will see the option number of column. So enter the number 5 or enter the number which you need here, then click on OK. Almost you will see this type of text in newspaper, magazine. So just you have to change settings in layout, column, and enter number of your desire, your need, you require 3, 4, 5. Like you want to increase like 6 column. So make number 6 here and OK. Want to decrease, so just select 3 or 1. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.